Many have pondered the intricacies of fostering romantic feelings. It's less about superficial charm and more about establishing a profound connection. The transition from casual interaction to deep affection hinges on creating a unique and significant bond. True affection isn't solely about physical appeal or reciting practice lines. It arises from authentic engagement and self-assuredness. Presenting your genuine self allows a man to experience a connection that resonates deeply. A captivating presence transcends mere outward appearance. It emanates from an individual who is engaged and content with their own existence. This intrinsic satisfaction manifests as quiet confidence and an inner radiance. Such a person doesn't seek external validation, but naturally attracts positive attention. The key to fostering deeper feelings lies in demonstrating a fulfilling life, complete with personal interests and passions. Men are not drawn to filling a void, but to becoming part of something already vibrant and meaningful. When a man perceives that your happiness and fulfillment are not contingent on his presence, it sparks genuine interest. He is drawn to the fire within you, your passions, your enthusiasm, the joy you derive from your own pursuits. This demonstrates that you are choosing to include him in your already rich life, a powerful dynamic that fosters desire rather than obligation. Your independent spirit and engagement with life are inherently attractive qualities. Furthermore, authentic self-love acts as a powerful magnet. When you are deeply connected to your own well-being, your freedom, and your happiness, you naturally attract reciprocal affection. Love gravitates toward individuals who are self-assured and vibrant. Therefore, cultivating your own passions and building a life that excites you is paramount. When you prioritize your own fulfillment, the right person will be drawn to your radiant energy and want to share in it. Effective interpersonal connection involves a delicate art. It's not about employing trite phrases, but about fostering a genuine sense of intimacy and shared understanding. Subtlety and authenticity are key. Engaging in playful yet meaningful exchanges creates an exclusive atmosphere, making the interaction feel more significant. A lingering glance, a knowing smile, or a softly spoken word can generate an electric undercurrent. The allure lies in the implication of a deeper connection, a shared secret. This creates a sense of mystery and encourages a man to seek a closer understanding. By revealing yourself gradually, you invite exploration and build anticipation. This balance of warmth and reserve is captivating because it feels genuine and unforced. Allowing your personality and body language to convey interest subtly can be more impactful than overt gestures. Being fully present during interactions amplifies the effect of your engagement. When your attention is undivided and you genuinely enjoy the connection, it creates a memorable experience. This authentic presence makes the interaction feel personal and significant. That feeling of being uniquely seen and understood is the foundation upon which deeper feelings are built. It moves beyond superficial attraction and fosters a desire for continued connection. A woman who remains in a man's thoughts is often one who offers delightful unpredictability. This doesn't imply erratic behavior, but rather a multifaceted personality that keeps him engaged. Possessing a blend of qualities, being both gentle and assertive, playful and thoughtful, creates intrigue. The ability to shift between different emotional tones and engage in varied conversations is captivating and memorable. Consistency should not equate to predictability. While reliability is important, incorporating elements of surprise and spontaneity keeps the connection vibrant. Sharing unexpected insights or suggesting novel activities can inject excitement. The rhythm of the interaction, fluctuating between lightheartedness and depth, sensuality and playfulness, creates a dynamic and compelling experience. This prevents the relationship from becoming monotonous and fosters a sense of ongoing discovery. When your authenticity leads and you embrace the various facets of your personality, it creates a lasting impression. These unexpected, delightful moments forge strong emotional connections and create cherished memories. It's these unique interactions that differentiate you and make you someone he values and doesn't want to lose. This unpredictable delight signals a vibrant inner life which is profoundly attractive. Understanding the intrinsic desire to feel valuable is crucial in fostering deeper affection. This isn't about dependence, but about allowing a man to contribute and feel that his efforts are appreciated. Men have a natural inclination to feel significant in their partner's life. By allowing them to offer support, whether practical or emotional, and acknowledging their contributions with genuine gratitude, you tap into this fundamental desire. This act of allowing someone to be supportive should not diminish your own strength or independence. Rather, it demonstrates a secure confidence that allows for interdependence. Expressing appreciation for their help, even with tasks you could manage independently, makes them feel valued and useful. This fosters a sense of partnership and strengthens the emotional bond. It's about creating a dynamic where both individuals can contribute and support each other. Letting a man be your hero in small, meaningful ways cultivates a deeper connection. It's about acknowledging their efforts and making them feel that their presence has a positive impact on your life. This isn't about feigning helplessness, but about wisely allowing someone to show up for you. This blend of self-sufficiency and the willingness to accept support fosters a powerful and lasting affection. Building a lasting connection involves engaging with a man's emotions, not just his intellect or ego. While acknowledging achievements and humor is appreciated, it's connecting on an emotional level that fosters true intimacy. Most men deeply desire emotional safety, even if they don't explicitly express it. When you create an environment where they feel understood and accepted on a deeper level, it fosters trust and vulnerability. Listening attentively, not just to the words but to the underlying emotions, is key. When he shares his experiences, acknowledge his feelings and offer empathetic responses. Creating a safe space for him to express vulnerabilities allows him to trust you with deeper aspects of himself. This emotional intimacy is a rare and powerful element in any relationship. Being a person who can comfortably navigate vulnerable conversations distinguishes you. It shows him that you accept all facets of him, not just the superficial ones. Sharing your own emotions authentically also encourages reciprocity. By modeling vulnerability, you give him permission to do the same. This mutual emotional exchange fosters a profound sense of being seen and understood, which is the bedrock of lasting affection. Connecting with a man's emotions doesn't mean becoming his sole emotional support. It means being present and empathetic, acknowledging his feelings, and sharing your own in a balanced way. This creates a dynamic of mutual understanding and deepens the connection beyond the surface level. When a man feels emotionally safe and desired, he is more likely to develop deep and lasting affection. In essence, cultivating affection is about fostering a genuine and multifaceted connection. It involves self-assuredness, authentic engagement, playful interaction, and emotional depth. By being your true self, appreciating his contributions, and connecting with his emotions, you create a powerful and lasting bond. It's not about changing who you are, but about inviting someone to connect with the beautiful complexity of your being. A profound truth is that deep affection blossoms from genuine connection and mutual understanding. It's about creating a space where both individuals feel seen, valued, and emotionally safe. This connection, built on authenticity and empathy, transcends superficial attraction and forms the foundation of a lasting bond. The scientific reality is that our brains are wired for connection, and when we experience genuine emotional resonance with another person, it triggers powerful neurochemical responses that foster attachment and affection.